These creatures are called glyptodons, ancient ancestors of the armadillo. They used to live during the time of the, the time Smilodon existed.
Glyptodons are members of the group of animals circled in blue. All of these animals evolved from
This museum reminds me of a lot of stuff, like Ultra Instinct, Mexels, and what else? There you are. Such an angel. I actually did it! I touched its shell! Whoa. Hey. Where's that Mosachops skeleton? Gotta be around here somewhere. There it is, folks. A Dilophosaurus. One of my favorite prehistoric animals. I find this one to be one of my favorites, along with Scutosaurus. I'm sure they'll complete the skeleton real soon. I promise. They'll complete the skeleton. Along with the rest of these animals. Like that narwhal. Oh, here's the Mosachops. Now I can finally take a picture of it. One of my common favorites about Mosachops, well, they were often seen in video games. And, well, I have a good place for these animals. There's the Dimetrodon, one of the stars for Walking with Monsters. Dimetrodon, well, back when I was young, the Dimetrodon exhibition wasn't really open. They didn't show it to the public yet. But, good lucky for me, now that I'm older, I finally get to see it in action. Along with this Dilophosaurus. Congratulations. Hey guys, is it okay if we see the view? Is it okay if we see the view? No, I meant the one that's by the window. Cream of all. Everyone, this is the viewing room. This is where we come to relax, where we explore and remember all the good times that we've had. There's the Empire State Building, every statue, every model we've had. This place, it means so much to me. I've been coming here since I was 5 years old. This museum, it's paradise. And, well, this museum, well, actually, this museum is what I call home. My true home. This is where I come to learn, to be inspired, and to evolve. Every time I come here, I learn more and more every day. And this exhibit, this one I find this place the most to love. And I'm sure you can too. There's a lot we want to discover out there. And to be honest, this place, this museum, out of all the museums, I give it a grade A, top 10, 10 out of 10 museum review. I give it my best regards, and I give it my best love. I love it, man. There's a lot we must know, and if you ask me, life will find a way. Now then, there's one last room we need to follow. Oh shoot, I forgot to take a picture of the view itself. Okay. There. Okay. Sermons. There are a lot of animals out there we must discover, like whale evolution, animals such as Ambliocetus, Brontotherium, let's see, synapsid dinosaurs like there it is, guys. The final exhibition. There it is,
Guys,
guys.
this is the end of the tour, so get it out of your system. Look at the map.
These are some of the best dinosaurs around, like Styracosaurus, Triceratops. This guy was one of my favorites back then. I still love him. These skulls, they were once belonging to dinosaurs such as Anchiceratops, Centrosaurus, Chasmosaurid, and Pentaceratops.